Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Camelia. Today's tutorial is going to be on a soft red makeup, because red is a very bold color. I toned it down by using soft edges for this look, so you can wear it also as a daily makeup. If you want to see how I did that, just keep watching. We're gonna start with sunscreen. This is from Constellations. For foundation, I'm gonna use Dior Forever Skin Glow. I've already uploaded a testing video for this product. If you want more information about it, just check it out. I'm going to use this Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer to cover my dark circles and highlight my face. Then I'm gonna blend it with Beauty Blender. I'm going to use the Benefit Brow Defining Pencil to join some hairs on my eyebrows. And then I'm gonna mix Hoola and Hoola Light, these two colors which from the Benefit Cheek Parade, to contour my face. For bronzer, I'm taking the Benefit Rock Tour. For blush, I'm going to use the Benefit Dandelion to put on the center of my cheeks. And then I'm gonna put California on my cheekbones. I want to play with some warm and bold colors, so I'm gonna use the ColourPop Yes Please palette. First, I'm gonna mix Bling and Big Cocktails as a base color. Next, I'm using Butter Cake on the outer corner of my eyelid and blending inwards. I got an expression from attribute of Aries, which is pretty warmly, and I personally think this sign is very courageous to express their own feelings. So this is the reason why I choose red, this very direct and passionate color as my main color. Then I'm putting Note to Self in the first half under my eyes. I'm putting Butter Cake underneath my eyes. I'm gonna blend every color nicely and smooth together. And then I'm using my finger to put Gino on the middle of my eyelids. And some spoiled. Blending every color nicely and smooth together. For eyeliner, I'm gonna use Kat Von D Tattoo Liner.
Just give me some conversation now. If you down now. You give me a number, I'll return the favor. Welcome to my spot, girl, this me is.
After curling my eyelashes, I'm going to use the Benefit Roller Lash as a base, which brings me a curly effect. And then I'm gonna put also this Kiko mascara. Let's back to the skin. For highlighter, I'm gonna use Dior Skin Nude Luminizer. This color is a limited edition for the spring of 2019. It's a very gorgeous golden peach color. I'm gonna apply it in the C formation on my eyebrows, forehead, and especially highlight my nose. For lipstick, I'm going to use Bobbi Brown Creamy Matte Lip Color. This elegant red is called Red Carpet.
Yo, man, give you some problems? I got you. If you ever second guessing and realize you got some options, it won't cost you, girl.
For setting spray, I'm gonna use Urban Decay All Nighter. And this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you liked me, remember to follow me on all my social media, which will be linked in the description box down below. And I will see you in my next video.
But to lose my mind, I don't want